Hey there, have you ever wanted to make some extra cash on the side but didn't know where to start? Well, look no further because we are about to dive into the world of side hustles. Side hustles are basically ways to make money outside of your regular job. Think of them as your secret money-making weapons. They can range from selling items online to providing services to others or even starting your own business. And the best part, you can do them on your own time, at your own pace, and from the comfort of your own home. So, if you're ready to join the side hustle game and start bringing in some extra cash, you've come to the right video.
Here are 5 side hustles that are realistic that can make you up to $800 per day. I frequently see list posts on YouTube and Reddit and other social media detailing the best side hustles for making extra money, but then I click into them and I look at the side hustles, and honestly, I generally wouldn't do any of them because you either don't make that much money or they're too tedious and aren't even worth the time. Either way, you're kind of getting scammed at this point. So, if we're doing a side hustle, we want to make sure it's of high value and that time is being used as wisely as well as it has the potential to become a real full-fledged business. Welcome to The Smart Investor, where we help teach people about finance and how to become financially free. Make sure to subscribe and like this video if it helps you guys in your financial journey. Let's start off our list with number 1, drone photo and video taking. Later down the line, one pain point that many real estate agents struggle is standing out among a sea of other listings. They're essentially competing with 100 other listings. Today, real estate professionals are getting more creative, especially with their marketing. One thing that many realtors do not know is how to get aerial photos and aerial videos of their properties, and this is where a drone can come in handy. If you already have a drone, great, but if not, you may have to have some upfront investment of around $400 or more in purchasing one for this specific side hustle. Once you do have the drone, approach real estate professionals and offer to shoot aerial photos and high-quality videos for their listings, elevating their marketing materials. The great thing about this type of side hustle is that you can charge a lot for your services. On average, the going rate for a 60-second video bundled with 10 to 15 images can be $350 to $400. That means if you do 2 half-day shoots, you can make upwards of $800 per day. Talk about return of investment, huh? And of course, if you're worried about booking jobs, there is another opportunity to make money with your beautiful drone. And this can come in the form of stock photos and stock videos. Websites such as Shutterstock.com, Getty Images, DroneStock, and Storyblocks.com essentially allow you to upload your drone footage and earn a commission whenever someone uses it. Consider shooting landmarks near you, capturing time-lapse shots of the sunset on the beach, nature shots, or urban shots. Just be sure to abide by local laws and regulations and not interfere with the FAA. Side hustle number 2, writing an email newsletter. If you have a passion for a topic or want to share knowledge, consider writing a newsletter for a platform like Substack or Beehive. You don't need an email list to get started, and you can begin with 0 subscribers and free content. According to Tim Denning, most Substack emails and articles should be free, as this is how you build your audience. Once people love what you have to offer, they will happily pay for more. The convenience of having all your content in one place may be reason enough for people to pay for it. To start your Substack letter, pick a topic that you're passionate about or have more knowledge in than most people. If you are unsure what to write about, try to write down 3 or 4 things that you're good at compared to the average person. For example, if you know a lot about preparing for the SAT, MCAT, GMAT, LSAT, and etc., you can start a weekly newsletter and share your top 3 tips for that test. Share your content across social media to get initial traction, and you could up this by distilling it into a Twitter thread for added organic reach. Eventually, you can start offering a paid version of your content. Side hustle number 3, a faceless YouTube channel. Faceless YouTube channels have become popular in the recent times. But what is a faceless channel? A faceless channel is one that creates videos based solely on their voice without revealing their identity. An example of a faceless channel is free investing, which is a mix of clips on the subject matter, and a narrator all focus on the investing space. Faceless channels are in vogue because they can be automated with a scriptwriter, voice actor, and editor hired to handle the production. While creating a faceless channel is not easy, it requires knowing how to make a good video and picking a niche which you have expertise in. It can be difficult to stand out, but with enough time and dedication, this side hustle has the potential to make you some serious cash. Closing in at number 4 on our list is dog walking or sitting. If you love playing with dogs, dog walking, and dog sitting is a great side hustle that could honestly become a full-fledged business someday for you. As a side note, I personally love working with Labradors because they follow you around and are really cute. Today, you can earn up to $35 per hour on dog walking apps like Rover or Wag. If you prefer not to use apps, you can find local dog walking and dog sitting opportunities through just neighborhood bulletin boards if you have one, or by simply asking your neighbors. Some people have full-time jobs and make around $500 to $1,000 a month with this side hustle. Finally, we have number 5, selling online digital templates. The online digital template industry is rapidly growing and offers a lot of lucrative opportunities for entrepreneurs out there looking to capitalize. Maybe that could be you. If you are able to find a popular digital template, you can potentially earn $100 to $300 per day. The best part about this side hustle is that there are zero costs for goods. It's only your time. This means that with each additional sale of the digital template, your profit margin is 100%. Based on information from some people I know, I learned that many people are making significant money from selling digital planners on Etsy. A quick search on the platform shows that there are many listings with thousands of positive reviews and sales. To get a better understanding of revenue generated, I use the Everbee Chrome extension to look at the past 30 days of revenue for listings on Etsy's under Digital Planner. Many of these listings were generating over $1,000 to even $10,000 per month, and some were even generating over $140 per day. By studying these successful listings, you can determine what type of digital products are in demand and create something similar, but hopefully of better quality. I personally see potential in this opportunity as I have many templates and sheets that I've created before for personal use and believe that with some slight modifications and improvements, I could probably sell them as a digital planner and earn passive income. And it's important to note, while focus groups, doing surveys, or rather quote-unquote boring tasks also pay well per hour, they don't really offer any long-term benefits or opportunities for skill building or future business ventures. This is why I prefer side hustles that have potential to become businesses in the future. Which of these side hustles was your favorite? Let me know in the comments if you're starting any of them. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. It's free and you can always change your mind. We'll see you in the next video, guys. Have a good one.